Yes, good morning people, good morning. Yes, from Jamaican World Travel, here from Yallahs Bay. Yes guys, I'm going to be giving you a tour straight up by the Red Hill side. Yes guys, and I'm going to be showing you around as well some local village. So I'm going to be giving you the local village walk. I'm starting this one from Yallahs Bay. Yes, Yallahs Bay guys, right in the city of Yallahs Bay. And I'm going to be taking you straight up and walking through some villages guys and show you some very interesting places. So thank you so much guys, and don't forget to always like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much, and let us get into this video. Yes guys, so I am on Primary Road now. Yes, Primary Road coming up to Red Hills guys. So now we finally reached the village, and it was raining earlier as well. So I don't know if the coconut lady is going to be there guys. There should be a coconut lady. So because of the rain, I don't know if she's going to be there. I have no idea, but I put my fingers crossed. She shouldn't be that far from off here guys. Look at all them big goats over there guys. Them goats over there is big and fat. Now look at that ram goat. Oh my god, that's a good meat. Wow. Yeah. So this is the road guys. I used to walk home going to school guys. So we're going to be heading very soon guys into Red Hills. So Red Hills is where the coconut lady meant to be, but I don't know if she's going to be there. Just fingers crossed anyway guys, because of the rain. I'm just meant to be eating a cocoa bread. Guys, I'm meant to be eating a cocoa bread. It's really, really delicious, guys. Morning, morning.
Okay. Alright, lover. Yeah. Alright.
Yes, my darling. This big man. Man up. It's hot. Very hot now guys, even though it's been raining, I still can feel the hotness in the sunshine. It's right off here guys. We are coming now up guys to Red Hills. So we are now at Red Hills. But it looks to me guys, I don't know if I should say it's bad luck. Our luck is on my side, but it don't look to me like she's here guys. Don't look to me like she's here, because the table will be there. I don't know if I should wait and see because of the rain. Because anytime rain fall guys, you know, they don't want to come out and sell anything because of the rain. Yeah. Look at that little kid on the bike. This sign over there, guys, saying welcome to Red Hills. Let's go over there and show you. Yes, so you see, we're just at the top of Red Hills. Yes, and the lady don't come out here with the coconut. So we're just waiting on the lady. They have to come with the coconut. So they're not here yet. Morning, morning, brother. Yes. So I don't know if I should wait around or what I should do. Yes, so the coconut lady is right here, guys. The stall is right here. So this is where she normally sells her coconut. So she leased, this spot has been leased. Yes, and this is where she sells her coconut. You can see they have the bag there where she was selling coconut before. Yes. I did come to give her a bit of surprise to buy a coconut off her and drink it. Yes. So we're on the top of radio. So she's not here, guys, but I'm going to wait here a bit and see. So let's wait here and see if she comes along. Yes, guys. So this is the part here is flooding. And since we have rain, yes, a lot of water is down there, guys, and down here it's flooded a lot. You know, all the way down to that side, you know. Yes, man, there's a lot of rain. Yeah, man, don't go. Yeah, man, flood off the whole place, you know. Yes. And when I was walking, guys, the guy said earlier, say to me that be careful because you're not from here. So I said to him, who told you that I'm not from here? But I said to him, who told you? Who told you that? Because you see I'm looking around, you think I'm not from here. I said to him, I am from here, this is where I was brought up, I go to school here, I do everything here. Everything I do here, everything. And he said, okay. So I said to him, I'm not a stranger. I might look like a stranger, but I'm not a stranger. Because they have to remember, they're only younger generations, them, so they don't know. You know, that I'm an old school. I may have a young face and look maybe like the same age as them, but I'm not the age, you know. Yeah. But anyway, the coconut lady was not there. I wait and wait and wait and she did not arrive, you know. But anyway, it is a rainy day today, guys. You know, today it rained a lot. And yes, I'm getting hot before the rain come down again. I don't want to take any chances. You know, no more chances without any more rain coming, so yeah. Anytime it rains, guys, it's always like this, you know. The whole road and everything chipped up. Look at all this, guys, all the sun and everything that comes up. Yeah, it's really, really bad. Yeah, so I have to walk, guys. It's not easy. Car is coming, but this car is taking its time. But yeah, I'm just walking home anyway from here. It's the best to show you guys. So we are still on Red Hills, guys. Red Hills. And look at that, guys. Mango trees are blossoming. So amazing the way they are blossoming, guys. But it looks to me like the blossom has been blowing off, guys. Oh my God, all the blossoms are gone. What happened? Oh my God, they lost a lot, guys. A lot of them is gone. Never seen that before. I think it's because of the rain and that strong wind we have last night, guys. So it was a lot of rain, and plus it was raining today as well. Yeah. Yes. It's a nice house over here, guys. Look at this house. It's a really, really nice house, you know. The thing with these villages, guys, the thing I like with this village, right? They have a lot of top class houses, man. It's amazing. You know, you don't even think it's Jamaica, you are, guys, but Jamaica is beautiful, man. It's beautiful, man. They have some amazing houses around here. Houses is so beautiful, it's amazing. It's just so amazing, unbelievable. And the rain is about to come back, guys. So anyone who have clothes spread out online must take it out. This is more like it, guys. Look at this mango tree over here, see? You can see the blossom all around that tree. You can see all that over there. So that is much better because those are going to definitely come on, but the blossom are definitely on that, and that is going to come out really nicely. And I think the rain is coming back, guys. Yeah, the rain's starting to come back. So let me try see if I can get, yeah. Oh, the dog think I'm troubling. Come, I'm not troubling you. Come back this way. Come. It's okay. Hello. Yeah, don't be afraid. It's okay. Yeah, guys, because there was water, I'd have to come over on the dog's side. So the dog thought I was going to trouble him, so I call him. And once you call him like that here in Jamaica, they're not going to, they'll be all right with it. Yeah, but I think the rain is starting to come down again, guys, you know. Everything, the rain and everything, starting to come down here. Yeah. See, I'm calling him there, guys. He says he's afraid. You have anything to say to my fans? What do you mean? I'm not doing anything to you. Hey, calm down. Come here. Can I have a minute, please? Alright, the rain is coming down, guys. I'm going to go and stand underneath here. Yes, the rain is coming. Come here. Yes, go and join your brother or sister over there. Yes, guys, I'm coming back because the rain is coming. So I'm going to stand underneath here. And I'll shelter the rain underneath here, guys. Yep, as soon as I come, the rain just started. Yep. The rain started again, guys. Look, the sky is gone dark again. Within a matter of minutes. It was a clear sky, and just look at it, guys. Everything is all gone black, so turned into black sky. But at the same time, I'm here, guys, while the rain is coming down, you know. It's quite nice. Nice houses, guys. I love the way they do the houses. The new style and everything. I really love it. Yeah. But it shouldn't be that far from going home, guys. Shouldn't be that far. I walk a good way up so far, you know, so it's not too bad at all. People think, say, from my house to Yallahs Bay is far, you know. From Ortiz, where I go, is not that far, guys. It's not as far as you think it is. If you're dedicated to walking, you shouldn't have a problem with it. That's it. But when him drop me, yes, guys, as you see the rain come down. Yes, the rain is coming down really heavily now, guys. Yes, guys, it's a tropical, become a tropical storm day now, guys. So this is the tropical storm day, guys, you know. Yes, it's a tropical storm day. The village walk, tropical storm day, village walking, guys. Yes. So I'm going to be heading towards that way, guys, but I'm waiting for the rain to hold up. I don't have an umbrella. I don't have anything here, guys, at the moment, you know. You can see water is just dripping off there. It's very nicely, you know. Amazing. 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 But I really love the sound of the rain, guys, on the roof. Oh my God. This is the metal roof I sound like. Oh, I love the sound. I love the sound. So amazing. This sound is amazing. It is like getting a gold ticket to go to heaven. Oh, this is amazing. I love the sound of this. And the flow of the water down there. Amazing. Amazing. simple province life with ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, I think it must have rocked. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.